All right, Emery, let's look at this problem real quick. It says which is equivalent to the expression 4 times the sum of x and 5 plus 4x plus 8, okay? So here's what you're going to do. I'm going to rewrite it up here. 4 times the sum of x and 5 plus 4x plus 8. All right, first thing you need to do is this. We've got to do PEMDAS. Please excuse parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, then addition, subtraction, left to right. But in my parentheses, I cannot add these because they are unlike terms. So I can't do anything there. Well, the next thing, are there any exponents? Nope. All right, next thing, any multiplication, division? Yes. We have multiplication right here with the 4 and the parenthesis. Remember, that's 4 times. Then we also have the 4x, but we don't know what x is, so we can't really solve that multiplication, okay? But we can simplify this 4 times the sum of x and 5. Now remember, 4 times this sum of x and 5 means 4 groups of x plus 5. So let's do it. X plus 5, x plus 5, x plus 5, and x plus 5. There's 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we're going to do is now combine all those groups. Well, if I have 4 5s, 4 5s give me what? It gives me 20. Now you see the plus in the middle? Bring it straight down. Boom, plus. And I have how many x's? I have an x plus another x plus another x plus another x. How many x's will I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can say 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So how many x's will you have? You will have 4x. 4 x's. So 4 times the sum of x and 5, 4 groups of x and 5 gives me 4 x's plus 20. Now you could have also done this. You could have said 4 times x gives me 4 x's, and 4 times 5 gives me 20. Now we got to bring everything down at the end. So we just simplified the 4 times the sum of x and 5. I'll bring down my plus 4x plus 8. Now I want you to look at this row. Are there any like terms? Yes, there are. I have the x's are alike. So I'm going to use the commutative property to move my x's together. So I have a 4x and a plus 4x. So 4x plus 4x, right? Those are two. Now, are there any other like terms? There are. I have a 20 and I have an 8. They're both constants. So I'm going to bring my plus 20 plus 8. So all I did was I put my x's together, my like terms, and I put my numbers together, my like terms. Now let's combine them. So I just did a commutative property. Now we're going to combine our like terms. What's 4x's plus another 4x's? Gives me 8x's plus 20 plus 8 gives me 28. Now, I want you to look over here. This is actually a higher level problem because I don't see 4x plus 28. All right, none of these see 4x of 8x's plus 20. I've got 8x plus 13, 8 times x plus 4. All right, but this is not making sense. So here's my answer, right? I've got to look over here and see if any of these are exactly the same as these. So I want you to look. So let me erase this real quick. Clean all that out. Let's look at the 4 times the sum of 2x and 7. That means 4 groups of 2x and 7. So let's do 4 groups of 2x and 7. I'm going to have 2x plus 7, 2x plus 7, 2x plus 7, and 2x plus 7. I got 4 groups of 2x plus 7s. Well, what's 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7? That gives me 28. Wait, that's a 28. Bring down your plus. 2x's plus 2x's plus 2x's plus 2x's gives me 8x's. 2, 4, 6, 8. Look at that. 8x plus 28, 8x plus 20. They are equal. They are equivalent expressions. They mean exactly the same thing. Now look, see the 5x plus 17, that's not the same thing. So we know that's not going to work. Now, we know 8x plus 13 is not going to work. But let's check this 8 times the sum of x and 4. All right, so we're going to have 8 groups of x plus 4. Let's do 8 groups of x plus 4. Ready? X plus 4, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost done, 8. There we go. 8 groups of x plus 4. Well, what's 8 fours? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 fours. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 4 is 16, plus 4 is 20, plus 4 is 24, plus 4 is 28. Wait, 4, I missed something. 4, yeah, 28 plus 4 is 32. Well, that doesn't add up to 32. And x plus x plus x plus x plus x plus x plus x plus, there's 8 x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8x plus 32. Now, it looks almost the same. We have the 8 x's, but then we have the 32 and 28. Those are not equivalent. So the only answer that is equivalent is A. All right? That was actually a multi-step problem, Beb. All right, good luck. I wish you the best.